Hey there, welcome back to my channel where you enjoy watching me making lovely DIYs to inspire you. If you are new here, thank you so much for stopping by and please make sure to subscribe and don't forget to leave me your sweet comment. In today's video, I'm making two beautiful winter DIYs using Dollar Tree items. I'm using this black foam cardboard that I got from Dollar Tree. I'm tracing the letter J and Y to spell the word joy, and the letter O it's gonna be this transparent ornament that I got from Dollar Tree. I'm cutting out using my nano knife. I'm cutting the letter J. I have Y. In today's video, I am part of Recreation Inspiration Challenge hosted by Amanda at Six Kids and Glue Gun, and other host is Jenny from Lovely Moments Creating, and the guest of this month is Craft Away with May. Don't forget to check out all these amazing ladies' channels in my description box below, as well as the playlists where you'll find other crafters making beautiful and amazing projects to inspire you. In this challenge, I should recreate some DIYs that inspired me. When I watched Tammy's video at Happiness Created, she is very creative crafter. I love watching her video. I saw this piece she made amazing joyful decor piece for the season. I want to recreate this piece, so she used letter J and Y and Christmas ball bear as letter O. She used gorgeous pack of paper that she got from Michael's to cover these letters. Also, with the playable wire, she made like shepherd's hook to hold this bell or letter O. So don't forget to check out her channel in my description box below, and let's jump to my project to see what I made. I'm cutting out these letters J and Y, and I'm covering these letters with this scrapbook paper that I got on Michael's. I'm tracing the letters first on top of this paper, this green with gold leaves. So I cut out this piece to cover this letter J. I want to cover entire letter, even in the edge and the sides, all around, using my hot glue. Or the edge, yes, and now letter Y, cover it all around, to cover all the letters because it's a thick piece, so I want to cover all the edges. Then with my wood burning tool, I'm cutting this plastic ornament that I got from Dollar Tree because I need only half piece. It's very helpful, this wood burning tool, to make it or to cut it fast. Then I need some stuffing. By the way, I'm using my stuffing from my son's old stuffed animals. I'm adding this stuffing inside this half ornament using my glue gun and gluing these trees that I got from Dollar Tree, and this fern looks like trees. I got from Dollar Tree. I'm cutting pieces to match all my decor inside this ornament. I'm adding dots with my white chalk paint. Looks like snow. And I want to cover the top of this ornament with this ribbon pom-pom, golden ribbon pom-pom. And this calendar planner that I got from Dollar Tree, cover it with this scrapbook paper, and also cutting all the edges with my scissors to cut the excess. Then I want to protect this paper using my Waverly wax, transparent Waverly wax, and this paint roller that I painted before with green, light green and white, making like a frame, top and the bottom side, glue in this letters J and Y, and this half ornament as letter O. I want to cover all around this ornament using this ribbon pom-pom, gold ribbon pom-pom, and add in these trees on top with small tiny wire bell, these beautiful ribbons to make beautiful bow to match all my decor, this green and golden, so cute. Dovetail my ribbon to make this cute bow, gluing everything together and making a hanger now with these beads and twine, making a hanger in the bottom and the back, gluing with hot glue and using a stick to cover these two sides of the twine. Et voilà mon adorable décor. It turned out amazing and gorgeous. What do you think, guys? Let me know in your comment below if you like this DIY. And before to go to the second DIY, please don't forget to click the like button if you like it. And let's jump to the second project now. For the second DIY, I want to recreate this piece that Sammy at Unicorn Design made. She is a very talented lady. She made incredible DIYs for decoration. Don't forget to check out her channel's link in my description box below. So she created this snowman and tree using Dollar Tree tile. I had an idea. I want to develop that idea. So for my second project, I have been using this cardboard paper that I got from Michael's and this sign that I got from Dollar Tree, tracing on top of this paper to cut out to cover it on top of this sign. And I want to cover the base of this sign with my white chalk paint and gluing the paper using Mod Podge, make it flat, and cutting out all the excess all around using my nail file. I have been using these two Dollar Tree tile to make a snowman and trees, so I'm cutting out two circles with this white tile, one for the head, another one for the body, to make tiny snowman, and this cute and beautiful ribbon to make a hat. So I cut a hat from this tile and I cover it with this ribbon using my hot glue, so like that. So I want to make a scarf, so I want to add some accessories for this snowman. I'm cutting a piece from this ribbon to make a scarf. What else? Yes, a scarf. Yes. And I'm gluing this hat on top of the head. And with this green Dollar Tree tile, I'm cutting trees, the top of the trees. And I want to make a fake snow. So we need 1/4 of baking soda and 1 spoon of white paint and 1 spoon of Mod Podge. I add some of the white glitter to make it shiny like a snow, and dab in a little bit on top of these trees to look like real snow. So these trees, I made the base. I glue craft sticks or tiny sticks to make a base of these trees, for these trees, and I'm gonna add some decoration on this base of this decor. So I glue some stuffing on top using my hot glue, and some trees, some leaves, some red berries. Voila, beautiful. So this is right there, I'm dabbing some snow on top of these leaves and trees, and the bottom. It's snowy, it's snowy on top of the hat, scarf. I use my Cricut machine to cut out my word to spell let it snow. And now you have an amazing piece of winter decor. What do you think, guys? That's all for today's video. If you are new to my channel, stick around and check out my other videos. And I really appreciate you spending your time with me today. Take care, and I will see you here soon. A bientôt. Bye.